Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today I am doing a review of the Ooni Koda 16 and the Ooni Pro together. I've got them side by side. These are the largest ovens that Ooni make, and so I thought it might be helpful if I show the two ovens together. The Ooni Pro was launched in November 2017 and I've been using the Ooni Pro for 2 years now. The Ooni Koda 16 was launched in March 2020. Can I taste the difference between wood-fired cooked pizza and gas-fired cooked pizza? Because the pizza cook is so fast, most people cook pizza between 60 and 90 seconds. Sometimes it takes a bit longer than that. I don't personally feel that you can infuse the wood flame flavours onto that pizza crust and toppings in that very short time of the cook. There is, however, a difference with the flame. The flame of the wood fire oven is different to a gas-fired oven, but I feel that the flame of the Koda 16 with that wispy flame going round is very light and does seem to replicate a wood flame very well. Nice light and wispy that floats over the top of the pizza. These two Ooni ovens are the largest in their range. So what are the main differences between these two ovens? Well, the Pro is a multi-fueled oven and it takes wood pellets, which is an optional extra burner, real wood logs, charcoal and gas, and the gas burner is an optional extra. The Pro also has a pizza door and a main oven door that has a temperature dial in it, and also it has a chimney. This means that the Pro is more versatile and will give you the option of cooking bread and other things, because you can close up the oven with a door, and also you can turn the chimney vent to lower your temperature. The height difference of these two ovens, probably about double in the Ooni Pro compared to the Ooni Koda. So there's a lot more room to cook in the Ooni Pro, height-wise. Width-wise, looking at the area inside of the front opening, the width of the Koda is at the front about 23 inches, and the width of the Pro at the front is about 20 inches. The front is a good few inches more, but what you've got to realise with those few inches, it's taken off in that little corner there and the little corner there for the inside. So that little bit there that's going in 3 inches, where the gas burner's taking up the stone in the centre. So it's about 3 inches, so there's 6 inches taken off that. Whereas this has this little wall here of 2 inches and 2 inches, so you'll need to take 4 inches off there if you're getting a peel in through the sides here. And the depth of this oven is about 24 inches. Ooni Pro is about 29 inches. Yeah, and that doesn't include the gas burner bit on the end there. That's a deeper oven, and that's because of the fuel burner. It needs that depth for the wood burner. The two ovens are similar in the fact that they both can cook with gas. It's an optional extra on the Ooni Pro, and they both have a large cooking surface area and thicker stones. They are also both portable, and they are a lot lighter to carry with the stones taken out, but they are both portable pizza ovens. Both ovens can cook large pizzas and small pizzas, and they can take a good size sizzler pan tray in there for cooking other things. Both rest on 3 legs, which are folded up when not in use. So if you're looking for a lighter portable oven, you're going to have to look at the smaller ovens. These are heavier. They are portable, but they are heavier, and they are even heavier with their stones in. Would recommend carrying them without their stones in if possible. The Pro is an older model now, maybe due an update or upgrade to make it more in line with the changes they've made to the other ovens. So I feel that, especially now the Ooni Carry's come out, which is like a smaller version of the Pro, I feel that the Pro now is the only oven in the range that hasn't had an update recently. And the Ooni Koda 16 is a bigger version of the Ooni Koda original. So which one is better? That would depend on what you want from your oven. If you are looking for a gas oven, the Ooni Koda 16 has been designed to be just a gas oven, so it has all the benefits of being a gas-fueled oven, whereas the Pro is a multi-fueled oven and has a lot more options than the Koda 16 for cooking things and also for fuel. So if it's just a gas oven that you are after that makes large pizza, the 16 would fit that bill perfectly. But if you are looking for more versatility with other fuels, the 16 does not offer that, the Pro does. But overall, Koda 16 is a lot newer, but they both cook great pizza. Both are very portable, they're easy to maintain. And if you were looking for a multi-fueled Ooni oven but want to make pizza up to 12 inches, you may want to check out the smaller oven, the Ooni Carry, which was launched at the beginning of this year, 2020. Does all the fuels the same as the Pro, but it's newer and smaller. Check that oven out on the link here. Anyhow, I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.